Hey, what's going on? Garrett Berry here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for a way to make more money online. Maybe you don't want to spend a lot of hours in the day. Maybe you're sick and tired of being in lockdown. Currently, a lot of people are home from their jobs and they can't bring in income. If you're watching this and you're looking for a simple way, then this video is the most important video you watch, because what I'm going to do is break down how people that were brand new, people with no technical ability, just using about 30 to 60 minutes a day, we're able to start to produce just some of the results you're seeing on the screen right now. You can see this guy here sent me a private Facebook message recently, and he said, I've already gotten my first 2 sales this week. Now, with the opportunity I'm going to share with you, you're going to be able to learn how you can generate commissions or sales even on autopilot, okay? And every sale you generate is gonna pay you instantly into a PayPal, MoneyGram, Cash App, however you choose, okay? Just to share another one really quick before I dive into the simple 3-step formula to be able to produce income as soon as this week. Now, this guy messaged me, bro, your training is fire, already up 2 sales today. Okay, I think that accounted to $200 for him. And again, he had never done anything. We have people from all over the world using this formula that I'm gonna share with you, and you can find out more information at it anytime at the link or button below this video. You're gonna get access to training that literally is step by step. And the last one, this guy, I'm finally about to quit my job and do this full time, okay? This was a message I received, and he was working a job he hated, and now he's able to just produce almost a full-time income already, and he's only been in a very short period of time. So let me dive in right now to these 3 incredibly powerful steps so you can take action at the end of this quick video and start to see results. Now, number 1, the very first step in this formula is we want to copy and paste ads. With this opportunity, we are promoting digital marketing products. Okay, now these products are basically training that are teaching people how to make money online. So in order to sell that product, in order to make a commission on that product, incredibly easy, even if you failed at sales time and time again, even if you think sales is icky, the very first simple step is to copy and paste ads. Now, I want you to take a look at this image, because this image is breaking down in visual form what I mean by copy and pasting ads or advertisements. Imagine your Facebook profile, and some people may be watching this and thinking, you know, I don't want to post ads on my Facebook profile. You can actually just create another account, okay? You can keep it totally separate and just use this method on a Facebook profile. You know, you can also do it on Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat, on Craigslist, but I'm just going to share with you because most people have a Facebook. Now, what we're going to be doing when in this method, when you decide to join this opportunity in a second, is we're going to be posting images on our Facebook profile, or a Facebook profile that we've created. And this image is going to be building curiosity, okay? So in order to promote these digital marketing training products, we need to get people interested in what we're actually selling, okay? Now, how do we do that? Again, we're gonna be posting images that build curiosity, that get people interested, that get people wondering, I have to learn more, right? I need more information on what that opportunity or business is. Now, again, if you're watching this video, I want to share that at the link below, you're going to be able to get done for you ads that you can just swipe and deploy, that you can just copy and paste on your profile on Facebook, or you can create a separate one and post it there. And what's going to happen is you're going to get comments from people. People are going to comment info, right? They'll use the word info to let you know that they're interested in learning more information. Now, again, the ads that that I'm going to share with you when you do partner with me in this opportunity are ads that are designed and proven to convert, to get people acting, okay? So you're not gonna have to worry about creating these ads yourself. When you just use these ads that I'm gonna share with you, then you can guarantee yourself you're gonna start to get people interested. Now, step 2 is we're gonna send those people your website, okay? So you're gonna get a website inside of this opportunity. You're not gonna have to create it yourself. You're not gonna have to do coding. You're not gonna have to be real technical. You're gonna actually get access to a done-for-you, highly succeeding when it comes to selling people on buying the product and joining this opportunity. You're gonna get access to that done-for-you website, so you can just send people that comment on that image we post on Facebook your website, okay? You just wanna send them your website. Now, this website is designed to convince the visitor to buy the products. And again, the products are digital marketing training. So the beautiful thing is when you join this opportunity, when you start to promote these products, not only can you go through these products when you get access to them and learn even more strategies to make money online, but you're going to be able to help other people. And now more than ever, people need to learn how to make money online so you can feel good about promoting this, right? Now, this website will convince a high percentage of those people to buy the products, right? It's going to convince a high percentage of those people to make a decision and join. And there's going to be a button on that website to get people to create an account, okay? An account inside of this actual program. Now, when they buy that product, the beautiful thing about this opportunity, and again, when you go to the link below, you'll see even more information, more testimonials. The last part is you receive the money. When you make that commission, when you make that referral, that sale, you receive the money instantly and you get to keep 100% of the money. Right now, a lot of people who have done affiliate marketing or they've promoted something online before, they're shocked by this and they wonder, how can you actually receive the money instantly? Isn't a portion of that going to the company? Isn't a portion of that being held for 2 weeks to a month before you get the money? Well, the beautiful thing about this exact program is there's no middleman, right? The money goes directly to you, okay? So I love that. And you can choose how you want to receive the money. You can get it in PayPal. You could get it in a Stripe account, which is what I personally use. You can do MoneyGram. You can receive the money with a Cash App, etc. Okay, so the sky's the limit how you want to choose to receive the money. If you guys picture yourself receiving, stacks and stacks of money after you simply follow this simple 3-step formula, then you can feel good smiling ear to ear as you collect the money that you want, okay? So this is the formula. This is how people in the very beginning of this video, okay, we have tons and tons of testimonials, right, have been doing it. So if you're watching this video on YouTube or on my website, there's going to be a link or button directly below. When you click that button now, you're going to be able to check out a little bit more information as well as create your account. Now, once you create your account and you join at a certain level, okay, you really want to stretch yourself so you can get access to all the training, you're going to be able to receive an email directly from me where I'm going to work with you and share with you the blueprint that goes even more detail, as well as how to get access to these ads that you can just copy and paste on your Facebook profile or your Instagram and start to get money. Okay, so take action, go to the link or button below. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you on the other page.